like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and leave a comment. Hello, can you hear me? You can leave a comment if you can hear me, because I just had to fix my mic. But I will be starting now. Today I'm going to make a pattern in Photoshop. So I'm gonna make some shapes. Okay, I don't want it to have a line. Oh wait, it should have a line, I guess. 1 pixel, and then why is it not working? 1 pixel, and then I will color it. Perfect. Okay, now let's make some other. So if you okay, so this thing you can change. Let me zoom in. So you see this small round circle. If you use it, you can change the corners. So if you want it to be pointy or like a square, then you can do that. And if you want to be more rounded, you can make it into a circle as well. But that's basically it. I'm just gonna turn down the volume a bit. Okay, let's make a triangle. So you can do the same thing with a triangle. Okay, let's make them all round. Let's make them round, and this one maybe. Here we go. Okay, so you have to click on the screen and not drag down like I just did. And now I should be able to make a star. Yes. Okay, so it was pretty simple, I guess. I want the shapes all to be the same size. Oh. It's becoming round. Okay. So let me grab this one. Can I change? Okay, so the lower the number, the more star like. Yeah, that's a star. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so yeah, I did it. So here we have a star, a triangle, okay, let me just change that a little bit. There we go. Okay, now check. Okay, perfect. Okay, here we got it. So when you go to a library and you do make out of picture or something, this is what I'm talking about. This is cool, right? You can also do different. Okay, so this is what I was trying to do. So you have to go to let me just do that again. You go to library, then you click this CA make from picture. Maybe I should change the colors first. This is the one. This one is beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna use this pattern to make the card background because, you know, that's what I want to do. Okay, so I finally got it. We'll just okay, shapes, and then I will add this pattern because I like this one, and I will turn off shapes. Oh my god, scale. Oh, that's right. Okay, I should be able to scale this again. Here we go. Double click on the thing. Okay, wait. Oh. Okay, don't scroll when you're doing this. Do not scroll. I just have to realign them. Okay. Alright. Let's see the... Okay, now it's the same on each side. Okay. So we got this pattern. Let's see how this one looks. Okay, I don't like that one. Oh wait, I forgot to turn this one off so we can... Yeah, I guess it's a little bit too big. This way, if you do like this, it looks great. Oh, okay, I think it should be like this. Okay, perfect. Okay, let me try another pattern that we just created. Okay, no. Maybe we'll do 10. And how about this one? Okay. The stars look great. Okay, I wanna try this one. And then it should be 45 degrees. And then this one should be a little smaller then as well. Now we're talking. This is exactly what I'm talking about. This looks great. Okay, now let's move it. Oh my god. My computer is a little bit slow, so it makes it only harder to move them around perfectly. But let's try that again. Okay, so maybe... Okay, so maybe I should just make it 11. And now let's try and move this one around. Okay, I guess this is it. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and leave a comment.